Hello everyone, welcome to the Fuji's kitchen. Today, I'll make Ozoni. Ozoni is a traditional Japanese dish to eat during the New Year. It's a soup with mochi and various ingredients. Mochi is a rice cake. Ingredients other than mochi vary depending on the region. First of all, cut the chicken into pieces that are easy to eat. Cut carrot into 1 cm. This is kintoki carrot, which is one of the vegetables that are often eaten during the New Year. Cut out with a plum blossom-shaped mold. Plum blossoms are said to be auspicious, and this is one of the decorations often used in soups and similar dishes. Next, cut the decoration. Make a cut from between the petals towards the center. Make a cut so that it is scraped off from the outside of the petals. By doing this, it becomes a 3-dimensional petal shape. Then, cut the shiitake mushroom. Cut off the root of shiitake mushroom. After that, cut the decoration. Lay the knife down and make a diagonal cut. Make a cut from the other side and cut out. Cut out 3 places and make it look like an asterisk. Next, cut the decoration of kamaboko. Slice to 5 to 6 mm. Separate from the bowl. Make staggered cut at the top and bottom. Make a cut in the middle. Put both ends in the middle cut. Kamaboko is fish paste. This kamaboko is an auspicious food that represents the sunrise on New Year. This is musubi kamaboko. Musubi means tie or link. Boiled green vegetable. This vegetable is called shogatsuna. It means New Year's vegetable. It's a vegetable that is sold only during New Year and is used for ozoni. You can use spinach. Boil for 1 to 2 minutes and soak it in ice water. This will make the colors brighter. Squeeze and drain. Cut into 4 to 5 cm. Boil the shrimp and set aside. Next, boil the chicken until the surface is white. Pull up and soak in water. Then, take the dashi soup stock. Put the kelp in plenty of water and heat it. Take out the kelp just before boiling. When it boils, add dried bonnet flake. Turn off the heat and wait until the dried bonnet sinks. Strain the soup stock. This is ichiban dashi. Then make soup using this ichiban dashi soup stock. Put 800 cc of dashi soup stock in a pot. Add 1 tablespoon sake, 1 tablespoon mirin, 2 tablespoons light soy sauce, and a little salt. Add the boiled chicken and put on high heat. When it boils, add shiitake mushroom and carrot. Boil on low heat for 10 minutes. Bake mochi. Mochi is rice cake. Bake slowly over low to medium heat. Turn it over when it gets brown. Eating rice cakes on New Year's Day makes sense to pray for longevity, because the rice cake grows long. When both sides have a proper brown color, it's complete. Oh yeah, that's very sticky. Oh. Shave off the yuzu peel. Cut the edges, shape and then shred. Finally, arrange the ingredients in the bowl beautifully. I think this is the most difficult process. This channel will introduce many Japanese food to everyone around the world. Update it every Friday and sometimes twice a week. Please subscribe. Pour the soup and decorate salmon roe and yuzu peel. It's done. Hello everyone, welcome to the Fuji kitchen. Today I made Ozoni Japanese traditional New Year dish. It's a dish with a mochi and various ingredients in the soup. Ozoni has different styles in Kanto and Kansai. Kanto style is a gorgeous ozoni with various ingredients. Kansai style is very simple. Actually, I didn't like ozoni when I was kid because the ozoni in my house contained only mochi and spinach. So today's ozoni is very gorgeous. I'm glad. I'm very happiness. I would like to introduce Kansai style next New Year. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe my channel and thumbs up. See you next time.